Chinglish, unboxing Chinglish. Thank you for joining me on these unboxings. I greatly appreciate you. And also, taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. Thank you. I had 3 unboxings today. Let's get started. Let's start with this one. Oh boy, here we go. All 3 packages are from Amazon. Links will be in the description down below. Oh, yes, a grease Schlage. Actually, I went to Greece back in 2010 and competed in time trial cycling. Fantastic experience. If you've never been to Greece, I will highly recommend it. Going up to the Acropolis and looking down at the city is absolutely fantastic. You can see out in the ocean for miles. So if you've never been there, I will highly recommend going there. All right. Let's get on to the next one. Let's just flip this one open. And all these products will be in the description down below. Ooh, look. Japanese hat. Konnichiwa. Hello in Japanese. But I think this is a lady's hat. Let me try it on. Is it a lady's hat? Or is it a man's hat? I don't know. But in a couple years, I want to go to Japan. And that's why I'm trying to get some language lessons to be able to go there. So I bought this hat. But I think it's a woman's hat. There you go. Konnichiwa. Let's put this hat back on. And this is from Greece. Let's open this last box. What could this be? Oh, it's a sledge. I think it's a sledge security lock or security keypad, actually. Let's get this out of here. I just wanted more security inside the house, just not outside. See, here you go, sledge. Security lock. Upstairs in my gaming room. And it's not a deadbolt, it's a regular door. There you go, here's the parts. This is probably going to end up being a short video. But I do thank you for watching. It's just a regular door. And then the door cell battery. Sledge. Maybe like a sledgehammer to keep predators out, maybe. That's crazy, ain't it? Yep, here we go. Keypad. All right. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.